All right, for this video lesson, very first one of the second semester, we're going to make this really, really short. We're basically going to build on what we ended the first semester with, which was solving a linear system of equations, but now we're going to apply it to word problems. And we're going to look about 3 or 4 different situations where you can set up 2 equations with 2 unknowns, that being x and y, and then we want to solve for x and y. Okay, good things about these worksheets that you have, you can see number 1 for all of these, they show you the work and basically show you how you do it, and they have the solutions there. So let's just go through number 1, go through the work, and then we'll do number 2 on our own, but it's basically kind of the same setup. Okay, this one, we really just look at 2 things. We look at the sum and difference. Okay, it has the sum of 2 numbers is 18, and their difference is 12. Okay, I underline these. These are the key words. Sum we add, and difference means we subtract. Now when we see the word is, remember it's where we kind of put the equal sign. Is right here, we put the equal sign. So I use x and y. Now here's a more important thing. I'm going to say x is the greater number. So when it says the difference is 12, I'm doing this, x minus y. Okay, so I have x minus y equals 12, and the sum of 2 numbers is 18, so it's x plus y equals 18. Now we solve linear systems by 3 methods: graphing, substitution, and elimination. You can see how this is set up. This is tailor-made to solve this by using elimination. All the x's and y's are lined up. The y's, you can see these are opposites. So I'm going to add these. So when we add x and x, we get this right here, 2x. Positive y plus negative y, these cancel, and 18 plus 12 gives us this 30. Then we have a simple equation. You divide by 2. 30 divided by 2 gives us 15. And then you can see the 15 I plug back into this first equation. So it becomes this 15 plus y equals 18, so y equals 3. So the numbers are 15 and 3, and you can check it very easily. Okay, it's saying the sum of 2 numbers is 18. Well, 15 plus 3 is 18. It says their difference is 12. 15 minus 3 does give me 12. All right, let's do number 2, and then we'll do the rest of these in class tomorrow. Okay, we have the sum of 2 numbers is 26. So right away, that's x plus y equals 26. It says their difference is 20. So remember, I'm going to let x is going to be the bigger number when I wind up solving for this. So it's x minus y equals 20. All right, and I know there's not a whole lot of space here, but I'm going to do the same thing. The y's, right, the y's, these are going to go away. Positive y plus negative y, this goes away. So that cancels. X plus another x gives me 2x again. And then when I add this, 26 plus 20 gives me 46. So I have a real simple equation. If 2x equals 46, then I just divide both sides by 2. And I get x to equal 23. Now remember, it says find each of the numbers. I have to find the 2 numbers. So same thing like we've always been doing. Once you get one value, substitute this in. I'm going to substitute this 23. I'm going to put it in for this x. So I'm going to have 23 plus y equals 26. So it's 23 plus y equals 26. And I know if I subtract 23 from both sides, I get y to equal 3. So these are my 2 numbers, 23 and 3. Okay, I check it. It says the sum of the 2 numbers is 26. 23 plus 3 is 26. It says their difference is 20. 23 minus 3 gives me 20. So it works out. So these problems really are very, very straightforward. It just has the sum and it just has the difference. You set it up, use elimination, and then you solve for it. Ciao.